Hi guys, if you are watching this video, that means you are thinking about buying this product. So in this video I will tell you whether product is actually worth your money or not. Okay, and also this tool claim that it can help you generate 8 different income stream using AI, and we will also see if that really possible or not. Another big claim you can see on the screen, another big claim is that you can simply paste any website product URL or product link. This tool generate high converting sales video in just a 60 second. Okay, in fact many freelancer on Fiverr charge up to $500 for creating this kind of high converting sales video. So let's explore the features of this tool and see how it actually works. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is the Adastra Studio dashboard, and one of the best feature of Adastra Studio is that you simply paste your product link and it generate a complete launch ready sales video in under 60 seconds. So let's see how it's work. Simply come to your product website page and copy your website URL, and after copying this URL you have to paste on your Adastra Studio dashboard. Let's see how you can paste your link in Adastra Studio. Click on AI video ads, click video ads chat, and select what type your product. Okay, just select your product, what kind of your product. Okay, and simply you can see here. Okay, just copying your URL and paste here your URL link. So guys, in case if you are affiliate marketer or if you are doing drop shipping or e-commerce, simply if you are affiliate marketer, copy your affiliate link, and if you drop shipping, simply paste your product link for anywhere on social media and paste here. Okay, and after pasting URL, you if you want to simply change your product name, brand, what type, what category of your product, and you can write here description. After completing this, simply you can come add more your site what you want to in your video sales. Okay, so after clicking few seconds, so you can see guys, you can see here English language. You can get AI voiceover in 20 plus languages. The best feature of this product, you can create different video in any language. Click here, simply select duration, and select your ratio, what type your video ratio, and language, accent, male, voice age, voice quality, voice category, and select. Okay, after selecting this, you can also select like avatar. Okay, so you can select male, female, category, what type your product category. Okay, so after selecting this, okay, you have see many avatar here on my screen in this dashboard. Okay, after complete, simply click generate video. In a few seconds, this AI tool within 60 seconds create high converting sales video. Just you can see on my screen guys, simple paste your website link and this AI tool create high converting sales video. Okay, so you can see on my screen, and you can change according to your need. Simply you just come here and you can download this video and you can directly paste this video on your social media from this tool. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, Adastra Studio is not just a AI creation ad tool, right? It's actually help you build a different income stream. Okay, so you can see on my screen, you can create video for vendor and get paid, promote affiliate product with AI video and earn commission on autopilot, offer AI sales video creation service on Fiverr and earn while you sleep. 4. Create review videos on YouTube, add affiliate links and earn passive income. Simple. Make 5. Make demo videos for product and get paid by businesses or founders. Start your own video agency and create videos for client on repeat. 6. 7. Create promo videos for coaches, consultants, and course creators. 8. UGC review. Create user generated style review videos for brand and get paid, guys. So guys, we have already gone through all the features, and I have shown you how you can generate multiple income stream using this AI tool. Now my final verdict is that this tool is really worth the money. Okay, so the best part is that it comes with 30 days money money back guarantee. You can see on my screen. If you are a freelancer, you can use this tool to create high converting sales video and potentially charge up to $500 per project on platform like Fiverr, depending on your skill, experience, and the client's requirements. Okay, so if you want to buy this product, I have added the link in the description below. Okay, go and check. You can grab it from there, and if you are purchase it through my link, you will also receive an exclusive bonus from me. 50 high converting hooks absolutely free. This is the PDF containing the exact hook I have personally used to get great results, and my clients have seen excellent result with them as well. I normally sell this swipe file for $100, but if you buy through my link, you will get it at no extra cost. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.